straight ahead back into the fake road test center. First right turn down that first laneway here. Let's back it into the space on this side of the black truck.
It's lines this time.
Yeah. So you just gotta reposition your vehicle. I want to help you, but I can't.
Yeah.
We'll go through this after. So
Okay.
All right. So what you need to do here is put it into drive, crank your wheels all the way to the left, and you just move forward a little bit. That's good right here, and then into reverse.
Oh, that makes sense.
And then crank your wheels, back to the right. There you go. So they do allow you to reposition your vehicle once.
Yeah.
There you go. There's a bit of a trick to this. I'll explain in a second. Very good. Okay, let's make a right turn out of here. Go to the other side of the parking lot, and the same space that we used before, we're going to do the forward parking into that space there between the white car and the blue car this time. Forward parking. Excellent. Easier to go forward, into a parking space. Nice. Good. Okay. Voila. That's it. That's all there is to it. It's about 15 minutes or so.